IUPAC name of CH₄. CH in IUPAC system, CH₄ is called methane, right? Methane. Let me write and let me explain. Okay. So this is the compound. In this compound, we have just one carbon. In one for one carbon, we write meth, right? Since there is no double bond, so this is alkane. So meth means one carbon. Meth means one carbon. Then add the parent hydrocarbons A and E. So you are getting this methane. Since this is alkane, so we are using A and E. Parent hydrocarbon is alkane. Specifically, this is methane.